How to set screen time on Android device. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily set screen times for any apps on your Android device. Well, you guys have to note that the settings might be different depending on your device. So right now I'm using a Samsung device, so you can just follow these steps, so it should be pretty much similar to your device. Let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your phone settings. Alright, so once your phone settings is open, you're just going to scroll down until you see this digital well-being or parental controls. It might be different on your device, so you'll just have to find it out on your settings. Now just tap on it, and the very first thing that you will see is your screen time. So as you can see, the most used apps here is Instagram right now. So what you want to do here is just tap on the screen time and tap on apps. So from here you can tap on view all and see the list of screen times that you have. Now if you want to set a screen time for anything, so from here you can set a goal for your screen time. So from here, if you tap on any apps, you will have an option to add a screen time timer. So just tap on app timer. So as you can see, I've been using Instagram a lot, so I'm just going to set a timer for this. And let's say if I set it to 1 hour and 30 minutes, so I've completely crossed the limit for today, so it's 1 hour 39 minutes. So I'm just going to tap on done. So what this will do is it will lock up your Instagram. So as you can see, the Instagram is completely gray and it says I ran out of app timer, so I no longer have access to this Instagram. So that is all for today's video. You can do this for any apps. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.